Anyone who's thinking about hiring RentScale should absolutely do it. If you want to grow, you have to understand a sales process. It has to be repeatable. You need to define it. You should definitely try it.
What I would say to somebody that's thinking about hiring RentScale is just do it, but that you will find it's going to take your company to another level, it's going to take your sales process to another level, and it's going to turn your business development manager into a professional salesperson.
I'd say if you're thinking about working with RentScale, for us it's been well worth the investment of time and money, and just a great company to work with.
You know, if you're considering hiring RentScale, it's definitely something I would look into if you're ready. And you're going to be ready if you're in a position to grow and you know that you can commit the time and resources to really do it properly.
I would say if you're thinking about hiring RentScale, give them a call, check in with them, ask them any question you want about the sales process and what they can do for you, and I think you'll be pretty happy with the results.
Definitely give RentScale a call. You're going to be really impressed at the thought process that they put into the systems that they have and how they will get you up to speed to the latest marketing and the latest onboarding. So give them a call.
For somebody who's on the fence about working with RentScale, I would definitely tell them it's a no-brainer. If you don't have a plan for your sales process right now, you're not doing all that you can to maximize your sales department.
I was averaging about 25 signed contracts a month, and the immediate month after working with them, it jumped to 35 to 40 on average. So, I mean, the results speak for themselves.